You put your left hand in, you take your left hand out. You put your left hand in and you shake it all about. Hey, do the hooky pooky and you turn yourself around. And that's what it's all about. I ain't messing with y'all today. Get off my channel. All right, y'all. Hey. What's happening? Welcome back, all my nailaholics. What's going on, y'all? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? I'm dancing. What's happening? Come on, dance with me. What's happening? I'm all off beat. Okay, anyway, check it out. If you're new to this channel, welcome to the Nut House. So nice to have you. I'm gonna need you to pull up a chair and have a seat. Join the circle. What'd you say? Oh, didn't nobody tell you where you was at? Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, sure, I'll explain to you. You're an NNA sugar. What'd you say? Oh, you don't know what that means? Well, yeah, sure, I'll explain that as well. You're in a Nutty Nailaholic Anonymous group. Okay, that's right up your alley. All right, well, come on in, girl. Pull up your chair. All right, look at here. I'm going to need everybody in the group to grab their straight jackets and their nail brushes. You guys know how we do it. But before we get started, can someone explain to all the new folks what their care package consists of? Explain to them. Okay, thank you. I appreciate it. All right, y'all, let's get on with this video. All right, so the nail set that I'll be doing today will be a Yayoge Polygel nail set featuring Madam Glam's gel polishes for the Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And these are the gel polishes that were sent to me. The first one I have is When in Rome. It's Bubblegum. Adore Me. Sangria. Be the One. Now, although these colors are beautiful and great to have in your collection, I don't think I will be using any of these today. Maybe another day. I will be going in, however, using another color by Madam Glam, and that will be Kobe. Now, anything else that I will use throughout the video, I will show you, and I will also have it linked down in the description bar below. Okay, so just sit back, y'all, and enjoy the show. Hey, I got balls.